Hello guys, I've come up with again a new operation of two fuzzy set. So in the previous video you have seen I've explained the probabilistic sum of two fuzzy set. Now I will explain as you if you concentrate on the file name, I will explain the Cartesian product of two fuzzy set. So let's understand the numerical concept of that. Okay. So what is Cartesian product? Cartesian product will means if there are two set, it the all the elements of the first set will pair with all the elements of the second set, and it will return the minimum membership value. So if you see the example, so you will see that for set A, we have two elements corresponding to the membership value, and for set B, we have two elements corresponding to the membership value. Okay, both set have two elements with corresponding to the two values. Okay, Hmm. corresponding with the values. Okay, now Cartesian symbol is cross. So A cross B, and the operation is Cartesian product means A will pair every element of set A will pair with every element of set B. So first of all, A will pair with X. So AX, it will return AX both as a tuple inside the dictionary. It will, so in the output, A and X will be the tuple, okay, inside, and acts as a key inside the dictionary. Okay, so now A and X, okay, A and X will be paired, and the minimum of membership values of them will be printed, sorry, will be stored. So A have 0.5, X have 0.7. See, 0.5 have stored in the dictionary. See, this is the output, A and X. Okay, perform stored as a key in tuple A and X, and corresponding membership value is the both minimum of both the values. Okay, 0.5. Then again A will pair with Y, so AY minimum 0.5, 0.4 will 0.4. Now B, A is done. Now B pair with X first, then B pair with X, minimum 0.2, 0.7, 0.2 is there. Again for B pair with Y, then again B pair with Y, minimum 0.2, 0.4, 0.2 will be printed. And when we will print the final dictionary, you will see like tuples of two uh, two elements from both the set acting as a key, means storing as a key and corresponding to the minimum of the two membership value acting, sorry, storing as a value corresponding to the each pair. Okay, so I think you understand the mathematical concept. Now coming to the code. So this code also have two segments. First is Cartesian product class Cartesian product, and again is main method. So if you have seen the previous video, I will only the concept, only the logic is different. Okay, you will see if I expand class, you will see it consists of two member methods and one constructor, and they create fuzzy dict. For creating two fuzzy dictionaries, I have this method and this constructor. I have already explained in my previous video in the probabilistic sum video, or you can see the intersection video also of two fuzzy sets. Okay, now in the main method, it is already explained. If you didn't see the previous video, you see that, then it will better for you to understand this program. Okay, so nothing is there. Okay, I've taken range, created object, first object, and call the create fuzzy dictionary function from the class using the object reference. Again, creation of second instance, and do Cartesian product. Okay, okay, this is the object 1. This is the reference of object 1, and this object 2 is worked as a reference. Like this object 2 is the reference of object 2. Okay, it will, this reference is of type object, means union. Okay, Now see, like self refers to the object one, and other refers to the object two, another object. Okay. Now it is already explained. Just see the previous videos. Okay. Now I will explain the main concept. Now create fuzzy dictionary is same, nothing changed. Okay. Now I will explain the main concept. What is that? Do Cartesian product. The self refers to the current object, other refers to the another object. I have told you multiple times. Okay, it is returning nothing. That's why we have given the return type of the function as none. Okay. Now again we are creating a result dictionary. Okay. Now what I am doing, I am using a for loop. Okay. Now in the for loop, I have used two references, key one and key two. Okay. In self.fuzzy dictionary, I am accessing the fuzzy dictionary of first object. Then that's why I've access it with the help of self. And again, I've with the dot operator, I have used items function, which is a predefined function in Python. What it does, it returns the key and values together. Okay. In the previous video, in the probabilistic sum, you will see I have used keys only. Okay. I have used keys only. This will returns the keys only. There is also another uh, function is there, values, that will return the values only. This is items. Items means the keys and values both will be returned. Okay. Both will be returned. And key and from the both will be returned from the dictionary, and key one will store the keys and value one will be stored the values. Okay. Now again inside that for loop I have run another for loop that will access the another object for the dictionary, means that's why I have accessed it with the help of other. Okay, other refers to the another object. And then items, again items will fetch the key and values that will be stored in keys, will be stored accessed by key 2, values will be accessed by value 2. Then what I am doing, I need tuple pair. Okay, so the items of first set is pairing with the all the items of set 2, that's why I need pair with the corresponding minimum membership value. So I've stored as a tuple the key, I've stored the key tuples of two keys as a key in the result dictionary. Okay, that will be pairing. So first of all the key 1 will be accessed, then key 2 will be accessed. Okay, then key 1 and key 2 will be stored in the result as a tuple. Okay, and then what I've done, round means after dot, after decimal there will be two digits only, not more than that. And I've written minimum of value 1 and value 2. Okay, and then what I have done, I've printed the set A and set B, and then Cartesian product result. Okay, then if I run this, you will see this enter number of elements. So let's run the example only. uh, for set A I will provide A, and sorry, enter number of elements, it is asking for the range. I will give 2. Okay, 2. For 1, sorry, for A I will give 0.5. Just drag it so it will be better for you to see the output. 0.5. Again for B it's 0.2. And for the set B I'm giving the, it is not mandatory that the element should be same in both the set. Here it is not mandatory because it will pair. Okay, so I can give different or distinct elements of in the two sets also. Okay, so now for X we will provide 0.7, and for Y we will provide 0.4. You will see this set A, set B is there. A is pairing with X, A is pairing with X, and returning the, storing the minimum value 0.5. See 0.5. B, sorry, A is pairing with X, sorry, A is pairing with Y now, returning the minimum 0.4. Okay, B with X, sorry, 0.4. Okay, uh, it is returning 0.4. B with X 0.2 minimum, B with Y 0.2 return. Okay, so I think you have understand the concept and also the output also. So for understanding this function and also this main method, main block, just see my earlier videos, you will understand definitely. So if you have any problem or any questions or any suggestions for me, just let me know in comments. I will definitely respond to it. Okay, so till then wait for my next video, and till then, bye bye.